Guys, this is step 7 of 8 of the 3x3x3 Rubik's Cube. If you made it this far, congrats. You're almost there. The algorithms do get a little bit longer, a little bit more confusing, a little bit harder, but very doable. I think step 7 is very straightforward. Once you know how to solve the cube, your finger, it just becomes finger memory, but for learning it, requires a little bit of more work. So our objective is to match all the yellow corners in between their corresponding centers of their bordering colors. So what does that mean? For example, like right here, this yellow corner, we want it to match between red and blue. Right now it's in between blue and orange, so we want to fix that. This one is in between red and green, so we want to fix that. This one's in between red and blue, and we want it to be in between red and green, so we want to fix that. But this one does work out. So now there's 2 different cases. There are cases where you either have no yellow corners matching or where you'll have one that matches. Therefore, this one matches. So what do? When you have one that matches, go ahead and place it on the right hand side column, and have your yellow face as your top face, your white face as your bottom face. Your front face will be whatever yellow corner does match in between the bordering colors and the centers will be your front face towards the right side, on the right hand side of your front face. So now we simply apply this algorithm. Left hand side up, L prime, U, right side up, R, U prime, left side down, L, U, right side down, U prime. So by executing this, blue, orange, orange, blue matches. Blue, red matches. Yellow, green, red. Yellow, green. Green, red matches. So they all match, right? So that's only 3 possible cases. You either have 0 that match, you have 1, or you have all 4. And if you have all 4, you skip straight to step 8. If you have 0, you have to do the same algorithm, just more than once. And if you have 1, you either have to do it either once or twice. In this case, it was just once, so get used to the algorithm. Also, if you don't understand Rubik's Cube notation, I have a video on that down below where I go over every Rubik's Cube notation on every cube. Highly recommend it for beginners to watch. Anyways, if you see any value, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thank you guys for your time. Thank you guys for trusting me in learning this cube. I try to break it down for beginners. And now we're going to proceed on to step 8 to finish the cube. Thank you guys.